leader, mentor, and teacher, Saint Qasim Ali Shah. The S of Apni Tarash mean the self-actualization and discovery of self. The one who knows about his merits and demerits, weaknesses and his strengths, definitely he will perform best at the end. So at the first you will have to recognize your drawbacks and definitely you will have to work on it to improve yourself up to the mark, to be recognized by the world. For that you will have to recognize yourself at first and then the world will recognize you. So for that, and that regarding Imam Ghazali says, the one who knows about himself, means that he knows about the God. And moreover, about all these things, there is a research of Harvard University, and according to that research, 97% people are unwillingly doing their jobs and businesses. So why they are fed, and that is because they are unaware of self-actualization. And that's why Imam Malik says that one burns twice. The first he come in this world, and the second he would have to recognize, mean self-actualization. And there are some questions who have, and there are some questions the one who have in the mind at the first, who am I? It is the first chapter of this book, and the second is why have I born, and the third one is what assignment I will have to complete before going to leave this world. So now you have up to you and list of daily or extraordinary.
Overall, it's very good, but just focus your pronunciation. You said born and I heard burn. Right, first you burn and second. So focus there and try to add some more expressions. Jumai aa rahi hai? Need to nahi aa rahi? Okay, sure. All right, you opened your mouth, that's why I said. But overall, it's good. Okay.